In the heart of Alaska's Kodiak Archipelago, the Kodiak Bear, a true giant among bears, showcases its remarkable hunting skills during the annual salmon run. With its impressive size, keen senses, and a nose that can sniff out a salmon from miles away, this apex predator is the ultimate fisherman. But there's more to this majestic scene than meets the eye. As the Kodiak Bear feasts on salmon, it plays a critical role in nutrient cycling, enriching the entire ecosystem. This breathtaking video captures the Kodiak Bear's prowess as a salmon hunter, highlighting the beauty and harmony of nature in this pristine corner of the world.